Hello, I'm Farooq, author of Decode Your Destiny. Today, I want to share a journey through what shapes our lives, our destiny. Decode Your Destiny explores how we can shape our lives through understanding, intention, and action. Drawing from experiences across Europe, Asia, and Africa, the book guides you through self-discovery with the mirror, the map, and the mentor, empowering you to recode your destiny. Whether you're feeling stuck or looking for inspiration, this book bridges ancient wisdom with modern science. Inspired by heroes like William Campwamba and many other industry tech giants, philosophers, scientists, and successful individuals, the book shows how destiny involves will, hard work, and optimism. Each chapter challenges your perceptions and inspires action. Pick up Decode Your Destiny, soon available on Amazon, Kindle, and at major bookstores in Pakistan. Join the conversation and share your journey. The path to understanding your destiny is not just knowing, but doing. Let's take that first step today.